A box came last night that I'm really excited to open. So today I thought I would bring you along with me as I dive into this box. And if you're new here, my name is Geraldine. This is our homeschool table, and I share here all about homeschool related content. So I hope that you'll click that subscribe button and stick around. This coming school year, I will have a 7th grade daughter, a kindergarten son, and a preschool daughter, and it will be our 8th year homeschooling. In this box today, I have some things for my oldest daughter and then also my youngest daughter. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got. Now, one thing to know is that we like to spread out buying curriculum over basically the whole spring. So I might start buying things in March and then won't be finished until June or July. So this is not abnormal for me to be getting a box this late. And some of you may not have even ordered any curriculum yet, and that's okay too. Christian Light Education, when I ordered last Friday and it came Wednesday night. So that's actually pretty quick turnaround in my opinion. So if you are looking to get some things from Christian Light, make sure that you spend $70 or more to get free shipping, which is what I did. But let me show you what's inside. Now, the first thing right on top here is the preschool workbook series. This is actually not a Christian Light product. They sell it through their company. But let me show you. I actually have a flip through of this program because I used it with my son 2 years ago. Well, he finished it this last year. So I've had the books for a few years. So we have the About 3, a beginning activity workbook for 3 or 4-year-olds. We used this one. And the B book is Bigger Steps, an activity book for 4-year-olds. Color Count and Cut is an activity color book for 4-year-olds. And then Doing My Best, a preschool activity book. This particular one we actually didn't have last time because where I bought them only had A, B, and C. They didn't have the D book at the time, and so I just had the first 3, but my son really enjoyed them, and my daughter I thought would really do well with these too. So I'm going to start her on this in the fall. She is just turned 3, and these are just really cute little tracing activities, and let's see, there's connecting things. They're just very simple black and white pages, just to start holding a pencil or a crayon or colored pencil, something like that. Towards the end, there are some, let me see, I feel like there's some number practice in here a little bit. Oh yes, right here. So just matching a 1 and a 1, a 2 and a 2, and so forth, just to start some number recognition. Then the B book, The Bigger Steps, is for 4-year-olds. And I'm not sure that I would necessarily make her wait till she's 4 to start this, because I think she is quite capable of doing this, but very similar activities. Tracing. There is a little bit of number writing here, so tracing the numbers and then making their own. Just barely starting some number writing. I think at the end of this book, oh yes, is number 2 as well. And I think in either this book or the next one, they also write number 3. Not in this book. So in the C book, Color, Count, and Cut, this one they're doing more like coloring things with the color that they're told to use. They have little symbols in the corner so that you can color that for them, and then they would know what color to use. Every time they see the circle, they do blue. Every time they see the rhombus, they do orange. So it's a little bit color-coded. I had my son do these books, and he's not a huge colorer. He does like to do a little bit, but not a lot. So these were perfect for that. I think my little daughter will really enjoy it. And then this one I actually haven't seen yet, so I'm going to look through that one. But this has some clocks and just matching things that are the same. Oh, here we start in the number 3 tracing. So this would probably be maybe the next year when she's 4. I'm not sure how much we're going to be doing with writing. Oh, they actually do number 4 as well. This one does get a little bit more detailed. Some number writing 1 through 4. And that's about it. So those are really cute. Those are for my 3-year-old daughter. Okay, let's see what else is in here. So we have been using Christian Light Education math. We started with math 4, and we started that in 5th grade. And then she finished that last fall and has been doing math 5 since last fall and is just finishing. And so now we're going to be starting math 6. So we have quite a few of the light units here. I did order all 10. You can order individual light units. There are 10 light units in a grade level. And then I also ordered these answer keys instead of getting the full teacher's manual. Now, some people will really not want to do that, and that is totally fine. Everybody can do their teaching the way that they want to. But I ordered the answer keys only, and that is because we're doing the older levels of math. In the younger levels of Christian Light Math, there is a lot more in the teacher book, and many of the levels don't even offer an answer key because you really do need that teacher's manual. And that's because some of the activities that you wind up doing in the workbooks or the light units, you need the teacher's manual to tell you what to do with that. Once you get to, I don't know if it's 3rd grade or 4th grade, because 4th grade is where I started. But I did not find that there were any activities in the light units from level 4 and up that I needed the instructor's manual for. So that is why I just get the answer key. It's easier for me and not so cumbersome because the teacher's manuals are thick, and there's 2 of them. There's one that goes with the first 5 light units and then one that goes with the second 5 light units. So I have all 10 light units here. So I will show you that. My box is empty. My packing slip is right here. So the prices aren't on here as to how much each of these things cost. So I will put it on the screen somewhere over here. The preschool booklets, I believe those were $15 for all 4 books. And then I want to say that Math 6, along with the answer keys, were like $71, I think, total for the whole level. So that is really reasonable. And like I said earlier, if you spend $70 or more at Christian Light, then you get free shipping. And so I never have a problem doing that when I order a math curriculum, because I order the whole level all at once. If you have multiple kids and you just want to purchase maybe like half of the light units and the first teacher's guide for one kid and then do the same for another kid, then you're still making that $70 threshold. So just keep that in mind if you're ordering through Christian Light Education. So the nice part about these little booklets is that right on the front, they're all labeled. So you have 601 right here, and then 602. And like I said, there are 10 of them. Each of these light units has 17 lessons. So there would be 170 lessons altogether for the year. And the way that they structure these little booklets is that in the center of each book, there is a unit test. So before you do the unit, you just go through and take out this little center part right here. And I just normally keep them in a little folder or something. And then at the end of the light unit, then they ask you for the test and you can administer the test. Now in the first light unit, this one is structured a little bit differently because it's more of a review of previous concepts. And I will go ahead and do like a full flip through and look inside of this level like I have in the past. I already have videos for Math 4 and Math 5. If you're interested, I'll link them up here for you. So this light unit is a little bit different because it has pre-tests and then practice sets. But once you get into the second light unit and then all the rest of them, the way that it works is that there are 5 regular lessons, and you can see right here in the contents, it shows you 4 regular lessons, and then lesson 5 is a quiz. The quizzes are at the back of the book right here, the very end. So the quizzes are just one single sheet of paper front and back, and then the second quiz is the next sheet of paper front and back. So they're much shorter than the regular lesson. So like I was saying, you have lessons 1 through 4, and then lesson 5 is a quiz, and then lessons 6 through 9, and then lesson 10 is a quiz, and then you have lesson 11 through 15, and then lesson 16 is the light unit test, and lesson 17 is fascinating discoveries. Now let me show you what fascinating discoveries looks like. This is kind of your enrichment activity. Honestly, I usually skip these, mainly because my daughter was trying to speed up going through these levels so that by the end of 7th grade, we can be done through 7th grade. So we were basically trying to do levels 4, 5, 6, and 7 in 3 years instead of 4. And that works for us. So I can do a whole video on how I kind of speed this up. If you're interested, let me know down below in the comments. If you want a video like that, I can just kind of show you how we structure each day so that she can move a little quicker through the program. But yeah, so that is kind of how these light units work. And there are 10 of them. Like I said earlier, on their website, on the christianlight.org website, you can order just 1 or 2 light units if you want to see kind of how it goes. I find that having the light unit where they're teaching the lesson is more than enough to have my daughter be able to understand what the lesson's about and how to do the problems. They give lots of examples. They show you how to do things. And then the We Remember section she can do on her own because those are all previously learned concepts, either from past levels or past light units. And here at the beginning in the second light unit, it'll tell you what level some of these questions are coming from, whether it's the level 5 or the level 4. And one thing that is different starting in this level 6 is that there are no longer speed drills. They're more just intertwined into the lesson. So there are like mastery drills and things in here, but it used to be in the previous levels that there was like a whole section in the back of speed drills where they did like a 1-minute timed test. And in level 6, they no longer do that. So I can talk a little bit more about that in my in-depth review of this program, but just looking at it so far, the lessons are still about the same length, about 3 to 4 pages per lesson. And then of course the quizzes are even shorter. They're only 1 page front and back, and there are 2 of those per light unit. But these are set up just like all the other levels of math, where there's a new section at the very beginning of the unit or of the lesson, and then after that is the We Remember section, which is the rest of the lesson. So pretty manageable as far as math goes, in my opinion. And my daughter has really liked this program. She would say that she likes this over the other math curriculum that we use. And yes, we do use 2, but it's not because there's anything wrong with either of them. We just really enjoy math from different teaching styles and ways of thinking about math. And for us and math, I want my daughter to have a very well-rounded math education, and not that using Christian Light by itself isn't good enough, I just really like Math UC also, and I have a whole video that I did all about that. So if you're interested to see more about why I use 2 math curriculums in our homeschool, then watch this video up here. But yeah, I'm really excited about continuing on with Christian Light Math, and it got here really fast. Well, that is it for today. We have our answer keys, our light units, and my preschool books as well. So if you have any questions about any of those things, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'm happy to have a conversation about that. I hope that you guys are all having a really great day. If you would like to hear a little bit more about why we use 2 math curriculums in our homeschool, then I have a video dedicated all about kind of how and why we do that. I'll leave that video over here for you. And if you would like to see a little bit more inside of the preschool books, then I will link that video over here. Thank you so much and have a great day.